Coming up on Dancehall Skilla, scene of a motor vehicle accident. Sha'Carri Richardson removed from a airplane flight. A theory about a high-low supermarket robbery. Drug exchange during court hearing. Stay tuned for all of these topics.
Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall Skilla!
Wow, people. Dancehall Skilla here again. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. Manners and respect. Just some things I want to talk to you about, alright? Alright, so first things first. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened at the scene of a motor vehicle accident during the subscribers. So this video shows a motor vehicle that went off-road and crashed close to what some people might call a river. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video be recorded. I don't have any confirmed information to determine how many persons was inside of the motor vehicle when the motor vehicle went off the road and crashed. I don't have any confirmed information to determine if there was any injury and if there was any fatality pertaining to the incident. However, the video is being talked about on social media, and that's one of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And I want you to look and listen to the video and tell me what I think about the situation that you can see and hear in the video. And if you listen carefully to a certain amount of words that a certain amount of persons used in the video, you might get some form of understanding about the whole situation. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe for yourself.
I believe I can fly. This is the manifestation of Sha'Carri Richardson. Yo, let's go.
Ajar.
Yes, sir, bro.
Can't fly. Fly. Yes, Mr. One can't fly.
Hey, wait, no matter move with it, sir.
See, carry watch your water. Watch out.
You can't fly, do what?
You can't fly from up there, sir. Fly from right there, sir. Come right, yes sir. Come right across the water. Don't touch. In a ear. Come straight over here, sir. Serious.
Let me see by yourself.
Serious sickness, sir. Sha'Carri come like a drink of Red Bull.
In my point of view, viewers and subscribers, that was a bad accident in my point of view. See? I'm telling my people. Anyways, you can always check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know, if possible, about the situation. And with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that the athlete, who goes by the name of Sha'Carri Richardson, says that she was removed from an airplane flight after arguing with a flight attendant. Now, I got the understanding that Sha'Carri Richardson posted at least one video on Instagram about the whole situation. It is said that she somewhat explained that while the person was standing in front of her, he continued to lean over to look at her phone. Now, for you to get a better understanding about the whole situation, I'm going to present a piece of a video that has been posted on social media. And by looking at this video, you might get a better understanding about the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. See? You can also tell me who you think might be in the right from who you think might be in the wrong. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe for yourself, people.
Right, and then like I said, it was just the way he was talking to me. I definitely would have listened to instructions, but the way he was talking to me was very unprofessional. And then his hands were all in my face. He didn't dismiss that part. So if I'm getting off the plane, I feel like as a flight attendant, they need a better flight attendant. He need to get off too.
Listen, should talk to somebody.
Thank you, by the way. I'm missing my connection, which means I have to now get off the plane.
Oh, so you're worried about a connection?
Oh, yeah.
You're worried about a connection while a grown man is disrespecting me. So I don't give a I didn't do anything, so oh Jesus, because I'm selfish. Okay.
You hear that?
Okay.
You hear that?
Like a signature? Oh, I don't got no pen in there, mama.
Here you go. Right here. Let me get my damn pen. Let me get my paper before you get off the flight real quick. Sign it on my money thing right here. Put it right here real quick. I was on the flight with you.
Yes, ma'am. That is No, I'm Miss Richardson.
They want you off the plane.
May I be explained to as to why I'm being removed off the plane?
The captain wants you off the plane.
Okay, does the captain know the situation that happened before removing me?
They make the call.
They made the call. So do they know that this man's hands was all up in my face and he was very disrespectful and I felt threatened?
At this time, the captain wants you off the plane.
I'm taking pictures.
That's fine. No, I want to talk to the captain because he was very unprofessional.
Okay, you got money.
No, I don't want you to get in trouble, Mom. I got you.
Girl, I got money that I can I'm not worried, baby. I fly every dog on
Come forward, why?
I got lots of checks.
I have to come off the plane. Is he going to be removed off the plane as well? The flight attendant?
As soon as possible.
He's not going to be removed? I'm just trying to understand the situation. So he's not being removed after being unprofessional and having his hand in my face?
Hold on. At this time, the captain doesn't want you on
You
the
get
airport.
off, please let me know because I got one on here too. I don't like
This time, just come off.
So can the captain come and does the captain know the situation? He's not going to come. No. So I'm being removed off the plane without even being explained of why?
What we could do is put you on the flight, but this time the captain won't.
Right. What's the name of that? What's his name?
You could ask him.
What's your name? No, but you jumped in my video. That's what started this whole thing. And the video shows you jumped in my video and invaded my privacy. You know that, right? So you're gonna. So it's a possibility you can lose your job because I have evidence. It's not like I'm just talking. So I feel like you should own up right now to your actions because I have to be removed off the plane because of your actions. So I'm gonna make sure that you receive the consequences for your actions. Okay? Okay? You understand that, right? You understand, right? Who are you talking to?
You put my phone number?
Yes, I have your phone number. Yes, that's perfectly fine. Sir, if you say one more thing, all of y'all that are very, very rude. No.
Don't do that.
Who are you talking to?
Hey, get off and we're gonna.
I'm getting off. I promise you, everybody on this aircraft, y'all have no idea.
Call me when you do get off.
Yes, I am. Y'all have no idea. And I have the evidence, so I hope that you are okay with your actions. Bye, ma'am. You want to make your flight so bad, but yet you don't understand having integrity and being a decent person. You saw that, right?
I saw you making a video when you did it.
Okay. It was a video of my face and he jumped in it. But it's a video and y'all see it on social media because y'all have no idea who I am. So, okay, but it will. It will. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. And you're fat. What the fuck? Oh, thank you so much. And I'm still a superstar. What the f is your problem? You're a regular person. Get off the plane. Because I can buy a private plane, dumbass.
Well, my people, tell me what you think about a situation like that, viewers and subscribers, you know? I mean, tell me what you think about a situation like that. And with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, when it comes down to this whole situation where it is said that thieves somehow gain entry into a high-low food store or high-low supermarket in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and a certain amount of goods and cash was taken from that place, I got information that, in my point of view, I think is unconfirmed information, viewers and subscribers. You see? Because the information that I got is basically said to be some form of theory. Now, I got the information that is considered to be some form of theory from a news article that I read, viewers and subscribers. And I'm going to explain to you in my words and according to how I understand words that I read in that news article. See? Now, my people, I got the understanding that the news article basically said that police investigators have theorized that a person or a driver who was seen performing various stunts with a motor vehicle at the Fairview shopping complex in Montego Bay in the wee hours of Friday morning was using the noise from the engine of the motor vehicle to create some form of distraction. And it is also assumed that the person who was driving the motor vehicle was using the noise from the engine of the motor vehicle to create some form of distraction while thieves somehow gain entry to the building or the supermarket or the store. You see what I say? Now, my people, what do you think about a theory like that? What do you think about a theory like that, my people? I'm not confirming anything, viewers and subscribers. I'm just letting you know about the information that I got. And I believe that that information might be unconfirmed information, even if the information has come from the police themselves, because it's considered as a theory. See what I say? Somebody like to tell me if you believe or if you do not believe that theory. I'm not confirming anything. Alright? On to our next topic, my people. Now, I got information that a rapper who goes by the name of Young Thug and another person made hand-to-hand drug exchange during a court hearing. Now, some people might say that those persons had been accused of doing drug transaction in a courtroom. So, my people, and there's also a video circulating on social media about this whole situation. So it is said that Young Thug was in court with a co-defendant, viewers and subscribers, who goes by the last name of Adams. And at some point, Adams walked over to Young Thug, who was sitting with his attorney, and put something in his hand, viewers and subscribers. And it is said that at some point, a sheriff's deputy noticed the exchange or realized what was going on and walked up to Young Thug and took whatsoever the person put in his hand. So it is said that prosecutors said that Adams is serving a life sentence for murdering of viewers and subscribers. And Young Thug is before the court because it is said that he is believed to be involved in criminal gang activity of viewers and subscribers. So him in a certain amount of problem already where I try to get out of. So it is said that deputies searched the person who goes by the last name of Adams, who resisted, and it is said that marijuana and other contrabands was found wrapped in plastic and food seasoning to mask the odor. So it is said that the person who goes by the last name of Adams, the same person who put something in at least one of Young Thug's hands, was taken to hospital. And it had been somehow realized that he ingests a certain amount of contraband. It is believed that he had done so to conceal the extent of his crimes in the courtroom, my people. What do you think about a situation like that? I really and truly, I wonder myself. I wonder if Young Thug have any idea that something like that was about to happen or would happen. You see me I say? I wonder if I set up. I wonder if that thing is some form of setup. This situation I've been thinking. I wonder why would anyone do something like that? My people, tell me what you think about that whole situation. You see me? Let me know what you think. Alright? And here's where I'm going to leave it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey man, you know where I watch.
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.